Yo, what up YouTube? This is BT, here with a box of a Panini Absolute Memorabilia 2010-11. Gonna break into this and yeah, let's do it. Hoping to pull some nasty patches and we'll see what we get. Aha! Kevin Durant signed with Panini. So that's a good thing, and there's a lot of new signers in this product, so it's definitely nice. Let's get some Hall of Fame. Hopefully we can get some Hall of Fame autos, so let's go. Let's do this. Alright, first box. Just gonna slip through all of these first so we save some time. Right there. That should be good. Here we go. First pack. It's pretty thick. Nice fatty. Alright, here we go. These are what the base cards look like. They're nice. The Rondo. And here's a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Icons at a $3.99, and our hit is, I think it goes this way, I believe. Ooh, Johnny Flynn, Prime. Looks Johnny Flynn patch with a tree from the Timberwolves. It's not bad. 9 out of 10. So pretty short printed. 9 out of 10. Johnny Flynn patch. That's our first hit. Let's get the second box open. This one a bit thinner, so it might be the RPA. Rondo again. Here's a Spectrum of Dirk Nowitzki out of 100. And then we got a John Stockton, Marks of Fame, which is out of $3.99. And our hit is, back is a Dirk Nowitzki, regular. And how does this go? Oh, it's backwards. It's backwards. It's backwards. Okay. Oh, might be just a jumbo. Darren Williams. Okay. Tools of the Trade, just a regular jersey. Out of 99. Darren Williams. Alright. So looking for 2 autos. 2 autos. Oh, it's a thin pack, so it might just have a thin. It's got a Daryl Dawkins legend, or retired, out of $4.99, and our hit is frequent flyers, Gerald Wallace, out of $3.99. So our hit is the next one. Ooh, Rodrigue Bobois, very nice second-year player. 1 out of 143. So Rodrigue Bobois. Okay, here we go. Last pack. Let's hit some big stuff. Big stuff. Ooh, this one's thicker. Joakim Noah. Terrence Williams. Got a Mari Stoudemire Spectrum. This might be low numbered. Yep, 7 of 25. 7 of 25. What's this in the back? Carl Landry, and this should be an RPA. Yes, it is. So we'll go down from here. Oh, nice, not bad. Greg Monroe, RPM. dual jersey ball auto out of 4.99. So there you have it. Recap: Greg Monroe, RPM, Rodrigue Beaubois out of 143. Darren Williams out of 99. And a Johnny Flynn patch out of 10. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.